Alright, and welcome back to Crypto 416, and in today's video we're going to teach you how to trade on Binance. Alright, so the first thing you got to know is when you're trading on Binance, the most important thing is coin pairing. So what is coin pairing? So when you want to buy stock on the stock exchange or the stock market, you usually buy using your currency. So if you're in Canada, you're using the Canadian dollar to buy stock, either like Tesla stock or Apple stock or Microsoft stock. But when you're buying cryptocurrency, you got to use other cryptos to buy other cryptos. So let's have a look here. So some of the coin pairings that people commonly use is Bitcoin. So they usually buy Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin they'll buy other coins like ADA, Ethereum, Doge. Now the thing about this is Bitcoin is very volatile. So for example, let's say you buy some Bitcoin and then you buy Dogecoin, and in 1 week Dogecoin is up 50%, and you're like, awesome, I'm gonna cash out. So you're gonna convert that Dogecoin back into Bitcoin, and then you leave it as Bitcoin, and then overnight Bitcoin crashes, and then by like 50%, and then basically you're back at where you began. You lost all your gains. So as a beginner, what I like to do is I like to use fiat markets, or I like to use stable coins. These are coins such as USDT, BUSD, and these coins are coins that are equivalent to the American US dollar. So you can use that coin to buy Dogecoin, as you can see here. And if Dogecoin goes up by 50% and you want to cash out, you cash out to USDT, and then that coin, it's not going to go up by 50%, but it's also not going to crash by 50% overnight. So what's good about this is it's stable. It lets you focus on the trades on the coins that you're trying to gain on. And when you cash out, you don't have to worry about that money. It's there and it's stable in those US dollars. And then you can use it later to buy other crypto, or even just send it to your bank account and cash out. So the first thing you got to do is when you want to trade on Binance is make sure, as a beginner, I would use stable coins to trade. All right, let's go ahead now and actually talk about the trades. If you go to Binance, you click on trade. In the beginning, you can use classic view if you're just starting out. All right, if you go ahead and you click here on the right, you can do pairing. So you can do pairing. You can click here and pick what you want to pair with. So I like I said before, I like Tether USDT, and let's look at Doge. All right, and you can pick here Doge Tether. All right, so what you do here is you're going to go ahead and you want to buy Dogecoin. You're going to focus here. So here we have, this is where you buy and sell crypto. All right, so I'm going to talk about today two different ways of buying and selling crypto. One is limit and the other one is market. Let's start with market first. So market basically means you're going to buy Dogecoin based on the market price. So whatever it currently is, as you can see here on the left, this is the price that you would buy it as, okay? So it's currently it's 41 cents, okay? And here it shows you how much money you have in USDT. I have a ton. I have 70 cents, guys. So let's say 100%, and then you click on buy Doge, and it would buy it what's on the current value. And this is just if you want to buy Doge quickly in regards to what value it is. So that is market. And same thing, when you have the Doge and you want to sell it, same thing. You basically put in the amount you want to sell of Doge that you have, and you click on sell Doge. So market is good if you instantly want to buy crypto. I like something called limit. All right, so let's say I want to buy Doge, all right? So I do spot, and here I can pick the price of Doge. So we can see Doge is around 0.04, so it's 0. Let's say 35 and then I put in the amount that I could buy. I could buy 2 Doge. Okay, that's my max amount. This shows you, 25% of my money, 50%, 75%, or 100%. So I could buy 2 Doge if it went down to 0.35, and then click on buy, and then it would purchase it. Okay, same thing if I want to sell Doge, and I think Doge is going to go up to, let's say, 50 cents. All right, and then I can go ahead, pick the amount. Let's say pick 100% of Doge. I currently have no Doge, and then I click on sell Doge. When it reaches that price, it will automatically sell it. So that's why I like limit trading, because you can wake up in the morning or in the evening. You can set your prices that you want to buy or sell your crypto, and it will just happen when it reaches that price. So you don't always have to be checking it, during the day. You can set it in the morning and then check it in the evening, or even throughout the day to see, if it's very volatile, if it goes up and down. And that's basically it. That's basically how you can buy and sell crypto on Binance. My recommendations as a beginner, you can do market. You can use the market to buy and sell instantly. Or if you're trying to, trade during the day, use limit trading. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.